Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a knockdown texture. This is a product I'm using today. What you need to do is just to pour a bit of this product into a bucket and add water. Then mix it very well. So this is what I'm looking for, and now we can stop. Now let's make a sponge for knockdown texture. So what I need to do is just to cut it in half, take pliers and pull out some of the pieces from sponge. And here you have a knockdown texture sponge that you made for under $2. So now dip it into the texture and apply the texture on the walls. I'm using a regular taping knife to knock it down. And now you can wipe out the texture from the bathtub and walls. So I'm waiting for about 30 seconds to a minute before knocking down a texture. And when your texture is ready, knock it down slightly. Do not press too hard. And every single time I'm knocking down a texture, I'm wiping out the taping knife with a wet cloth. Now all the repairs that I made will not be visible to an eye, and as you can see, everything looks great already. You probably noticed that I had space left between drywall and a bathtub, and now I'm filling out this space with regular drywall compound. Everything looks perfect, and now I need to wait for about 24 hours until it dries. So everything dried, and now it is ready to paint, and I'm applying painter's tape to protect bathtub and tub surround. I'm starting painting a ceiling with a white paint. So I started painting with a brush, but it wasn't a good idea because it is very difficult to paint knockdown texture with a brush, and it took me a long time to cover this small area. And then I switched to paint roller, and the job became much easier and much faster. Now I can start removing painter's tape. And this is it. In my next video I'm gonna show you how to properly caulk your bathtub. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you don't wanna miss my next video, hit the bell notification button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.